how do we fit? How does CaseWare fit in all of this, and how do we make this process work for you? So you have card holders that you gave your different cards. They went out there to different suppliers. They purchased goods, and the statements are coming in and the details are coming in. What CaseWare is doing is that we're sitting in the middle of all of this. The transaction data is coming in. We're looking at the transaction data. We're identifying outliers. We're identifying anomalies. We're identifying breaches in your policies and procedures. But there's some other things that we're doing here. We're pulling data also from your other accounting platforms, because most of you would appreciate that the way that you're handling procurement today is not just one system that you're using. In many instances, you're using several different ways to handle payments. So what we will do is that we're also looking at what is happening with the purchasing cards, but we're also examining what is happening with transactions in the other systems and bring those insights into play. Then, of course, Mike is also going to be talking about one of the most common things that you will see is that someone will leave the company somehow. HR has not really spoken to the purchasing cards unit, and that person still is having use of the card. So we also are pulling data from HR side as well and making sure that we can alert you early when there is someone that is moved on or someone is on vacation. We also use that looking at data, like is someone on vacation, what is happening, why is the card being used during that time. So we bring a lot of insights by using other third-party data, not just the purchasing cards data. Now what we do from there is that we transform all of that into insights, and we push that out throughout the organization. So we push that to the organization to say, hey, here's something that is happening with the card. This is just a breakdown in policy, but this one really looks dubious. Maybe someone should be investigating it. Why is this person consistently abusing the cards? Things like that. And the main focus for this is that you should see, while you can see your purchasing card usage going up and increasing, you should see the number of exceptions declining over time. And that's the main thing that you want. You want to create a sustainable internal control environment for the purchasing cards.